In this tutorial you will get to know about shielded metal arc welding equipment. SMAW welding comprise of mainly 4 parts. The welding machine, electrode holder, electrode which goes inside electrode holder, and ground clamp which attaches to workpiece to complete circuit. To continue, point and select electrode to attach it to electrode holder. You can select voltage from welding machine by turning knob. To continue, select 140 volt by the electrode holder and ground clamp can be connected to welding machine through connectors. Select connector of electrode holder, then select positive terminal of welding machine to connect to it. Now connect ground clamp to negative terminal using same procedure. Good job. Now pick up electrode holder to start welding.